thanks for watching this video. It's probably wondering what this is. It's a one shot, and then you pull this back all the way, but I don't want to do it. And then you shoot it, and then you do it again. It's pretty annoying. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's pretty annoying, but I got this at Exploring Goods for about 90. It's not that bad. It's got a good sight on it. It works pretty good. It's about 350 FPS. This, it got like a scar on my leg, but I cannot get my leg up to the computer. It didn't hurt that much. It just, you wouldn't cry, you just jump. And it's sting, you say ow. And it's R34 gram mag. And thanks for watching. But thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments at the bottom. But, okay.